today's vlog, let's have another Shopee Budol. Let's review a 330 ml air humidifier. The air humidifier has 2-port spray and with capacity of 330 ml. Power port uses the usual Android charger, so it is easy to operate. To change mode, continuously press the power button to turn off the light and switch from 1 to 2 spray. The package comes with free lavender oil essence for you to try for the first time. The air humidifier is strikingly beautiful with lights on or off. It renders beautiful rainbow LED lights. To buy this 330 ml air humidifier in Shopee, the link is at the description box. Happy Budol!